Hey, what's up guys, Chris Betts is second back with another video. We're back with another reaction video. Today's reaction video is Dirty Loud Noises Prank on Sleeping Grandma. And this is by Angry Grandma, you guys. So yeah guys, before we get this video started, like button, subscribe button, and let's react to this video in 3, 2, 1, play.
Hey, what's up you guys? Real quick before the video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know to go check out our Facebook page and our Twitter page. Link is in the description for both of those. We post the most lit on there, don't we, Granny?
They well bet it.
So yeah,
That's
go
what she
check
always
it out,
says in
give us
every
a follow
intro.
and a like. And yeah, I love you guys. I love you, Granny.
I love my cigarettes.
Well, what about me?
And here she goes. Oh, I thought the intro would be going up by now, but probably not. Well, and Grandma's sleeping. What? What? What was that? Did you guys see her jump? Oh, there's the intro. Alright. She's probably thinking, what was that?
What was that?
Got jump scared, Granny. You got jump scared.
5 minutes later.
5 minutes later. Alright. Oh my god! What? Oh! My god. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh. Oh, turn it off, Jake.
Jake! Sit here now!
That is disgusting.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat the living.
Oh my god!
Put that down and don't.
Oh my god.
Well, I can't get it off my TV. Get
Why? Where's the remote?
now. Can't even take a.
Find the remote and turn it off.
Now he's all time of doing something. Well, I'm gonna show him how to do something. This
Do what?
time I'm gonna find me something, and I'm. Jake!
You better get in here.
What?
I'm gonna beat the.
She's got the umbrella.
Put that on my TV, and I'm trying to sleep. Can't even sleep around here.
Oh god.
I'll beat the living out of you.
What are you even
I
talking?
don't listen to that. And I don't watch it.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
So you keep your out of my room.
Granny, I have not a clue on what you're talking about.
Oh my god, you're lying.
Door.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Get in here and you can hear the sound.
Granny, I don't even hear anything.
Oh my
Yeah, you
god.
probably turned it up.
Yeah, you
know how
probably
to
turned it
do
off.
Without coming in the room, you know how to get going.
Granny,
I'm telling you right.
Granny, I love
Oh,
you, but
crap.
you're going senile. Oh!
I would be upset too if I heard that.
Brains out.
You've lost it. You lost your mind.
I'll beat the hell out of you. You
No,
open
you
that
did
door,
because apparently you
you
put it
open
on and
that
you made
door
her
and I'm
mad
gonna
from
crack
waking
you
up
with a
from her
handle.
sleep, Jake.
I ain't gonna hit you with the other end. I'm gonna hit you with a handle. I'm gonna lay that big noggin of yours wide open. So
What?
don't you dare stick your head in this room.
Oh crap, you should have never came back in.
20 minutes later.
Okay, 20 minutes later. Alright. She's got a neck pillow. She's sleeping again. Okay. At least she's getting sleep. What? 2 girls, 1 cup? What is that? I don't know what 2 girls, 1 cup is. What is that? I don't even want to know. I don't like the sound of it. What?
Jake! Get your in here!
I would be surprised if I wake up to that. It's probably something disgusting, guys.
Jake! Jake!
Go get him!
Oh, no. Oh. No.
Ugh. Ugh.
Oh, no. No.
Yeah, go get him. Yeah, that's disgusting. Right?
Get your in here. Get in here.
What?
Look at that on my TV you got on my TV.
What is?
You know what it is, you put it on!
Eating
Ew!
biscuit and eating
Oh,
ice cream.
that's
You
disgusting.
can't get my off. You get that off and you get it off now.
I don't even see anything on your TV.
You turned it off!
I
Quit it!
Oh crap. Yep.
Get in here and get it off.
It is off.
Eating ice cream cold.
That's disgusting.
Ugh.
Ugh. That's disgusting.
And then,
This is
oh,
why
they're
you
sick.
should not watch weird
Oh,
stuff, you
they're
guys.
sick.
Yeah, they're sick.
Stupid. Ooh, think something wrong with them. Eat like a popsicle. Oh, look at that turd on that one. Oh my God.
Mm. Why would they do that?
What's
Sick.
What's wrong with you?
No, what's wrong with you? You put it on.
I can't get that
Oh crap.
image out of my head. I still see them on there eating that. Get it on TV.
It's
Your
off.
TV.
Calm down. It's
What are
off.
you on about?
No, what are you on about? You're blaming her.
You keep doing that. You keep doing it. And keep doing it. And one of these days, I'll beat the all out of you.
I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not even hearing anything. Maybe the house is haunted or something.
Oh my God. No, it's
And
not.
I'll show you how haunted it is. Your won't be coming in here putting on my TV.
You need a hug. Give me a hug.
Oh crap.
You need a hug.
She's gonna get something.
Thanks, me.
Oh.
Quit.
Oh.
Get out of my room.
Get out of my room.
I'm going out and have me a cigarette after that all day.
I thought you were taking a nap.
She can after what you did.
I can't take a nap around here from your. Get out of my room.
Get out, yeah.
God.
Be gone when I get back.
Do you want some ice cream?
What?
Wow.
Really?
Get out of my room. I told you that. Get the hell out.
Yeah, she told you to get out. Alright, what now? She's on her tablet. What is this? Cake farts? What? What? Ah, my God.
You know what I like the most?
What?
Cake farts.
Dude, what?
Oh. Oh no.
It was done.
Oh.
No! No!
Hey, Jake, no.
Oh my God!
I think I'm gonna
Stupid.
be nice and comfortable for this.
Oh.
Oh my God!
Comfortable, my
Comfortable in my butt.
stupid.
Say what we do it.
Do what?
No. Oh no. Jake!
What?
Jake! Did escape!
My God!
Jake! Turn it right there!
Oh my God!
Watching.
No, you put it on!
No, there's
Yeah, you
Jake.
did! He did!
I don't watch this
She doesnn't watch that!
shit on my TV.
Oh my God! Oh! God, what is wrong with these people?
Look!
Oh. Oh.
Off my TV. Get it off now!
I turned it off!
Okay, good.
Lock on my door.
What was she
And
doing?
You know what she was doing?
What was she?
That stupid was farting out a cake. She's grabbing it up.
Oh my God.
That looked like a perfectly good cake, too.
No, it wasn't.
Probably was, but
No, it's not.
climbs up and straddles on a cake.
I don't know, Granny. I really don't know.
Ain't something wrong with
Exactly, there's something
What
wrong
was
with
she
them.
doing?
Turn that off because you watched it.
It is off.
You know what she was doing. I don't have to explain to you. That's why you put it on my TV.
Granny, please just tell me what she was doing to the cake.
She was on it. Now turn it off.
Oh
Turn
my
it
God.
off.
I turned it off. I won't do no more to you. But for real, what was she doing to the cake?
Oh, she's gonna throw something else, Jake, if you keep talking about it.
What was she doing?
She was farting on it!
That's what she's doing to the cake.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Granny!
What?
What?
For real though, all joking aside, I do really sincerely apologize. But for real though, what was she doing to the cake?
Oh my God.
She was doing to the cake. Well, I'm going to do all your bed later. I'm going to all over it.
Oh my God.
What?
What was she saying at the beginning of that video?
Oh, you know what I like most? Cake farts. Yeah,
Oh
cake
my
farts.
God.
Hey, I think it's time for me to tell you that's actually my girlfriend I've been seeing. That's
What?
she does as a 9-to-5 job.
Yeah. It's
No.
Yeah, she goes to each store, buys a new cake, and she
Yeah.
toots on
I
it.
guess you provide the icing for them, huh?
Yeah, I give her. She gives me the icing. Anytime I need icing for my cakes, she just
Well, I'll tell you
poops it
what.
out.
Tell you what. Don't bring around here
Yeah, seriously, don't bring her around.
because she'll have something to dig out of her. It'll be my.
Oh my God.
Never bring something like that around me.
Why? She has
Might
a,
not bring her home. So I
she has a
gotta
good
say.
job. She has a.
I'll give her
No, she
not a
doesn't.
good job and everything else.
Later that same evening.
Alright.
Graham?
Why you scared out of me?
Hey, before I go to bed, can I have a snack? Oh, you got Oreos!
You ain't
What?
getting
I can't have these Oreos?
no,
Oh, Oreos.
Why?
because I want them.
Oh, you got the Lays!
Oh, Lay's chips.
Put them back.
Well,
I
listen,
told you don't. Cause you know why? You don't have to ask no questions.
what did I do?
You know what you did.
You ain't done nothing. You've been the best little younger I ever die.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
yeah, well, I love you.
Yeah, I look too.
Oh!
I'm definitely putting you in an old folks' home now.
Get out of my room.
Oh.
Hey, it's Kelsey.
Ew!
I've got some major gas.
He's continuing
here.
this?
And I've got this lovely, beautiful strawberry cream pie here that I think I'm gonna fart into. Ooh, I got one coming right now.
Oh, no. Jake!
No.
Jake!
No, 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 no.
Jake!
Oh my God. Oh my God!
Jake!
Ah! No!
Jake! Jacob!
That's disgusting
Jake!
already.
Get here!
Oh my god.
It's,
Oh no.
God, I'm gonna kill him.
oh,
kill it.
strawberry.
You watch, I'll take
Okay. This
Oh,
is fun.
you. Open
She's
that
got the
door,
peanut butter.
and I'm gonna knock your brains out. Jake! Jake!
Oh no.
You better
Why would people fart on
Get here.
food?
Right off.
Ah!
Taste this pie for its own.
if he fool, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him.
Granny, what's wrong?
You know what's wrong. She's gonna grab something.
What are you watching?
What? No, you put it up for her, and she didn't want. She didn't know what she was watching.
Get your sit here and you turn that out.
Ooh!
Ew.
She's pooping!
She's pooping.
This is the most fun part I've ever done.
She says she thinks this is the most.
I don't care.
Turn it. Go. Now! I'll do it. I'll turn.
Yay! She got the
You
remote.
want. 1, 2, 3. I ain't watching that. There
Granny!
ain't no way.
Granny, what was going on in that video?
Oh no, don't give it. It was cake parts again, and I'm not watching
What?
that.
I don't think it was
I'm
cake
sick of it.
parts.
You start that. I'm telling you, I'm locking my door from now on.
Yeah.
Granny, I thought that would be.
I'm locking my door from now on.
Granny, I thought that would
You
be.
won't be allowed in my.
Let her finish talking.
Granny, I thought that would be.
Granny, I thought that.
Oh,
That would
Granny.
be a perfect video that you could fall asleep to. It's like a nursery rhyme for pooping.
Ew,
How
no.
about it? Damn.
You've lost it! Good night!
Yeah, leave her alone. She's gonna throw something else. Uh-oh. Oh! Alright, wow, I gotta say that was really good, guys. So yeah, that was Dirty Loud Noises prank on Sleeping Grandma by Angry Grandma. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. This again next time. Bye.